going on, everybody? Hope everyone is doing well today. I know you've seen the title of this video. It is how to open a demo account. So when it comes to investing, for all my new investors out there, you definitely want to save yourself some money. So when it comes to opening up a demo account, you definitely want to utilize this tool in the beginning heavily, because when it comes to trading, guys, it is 90% mindset and 10% skill. So while you're learning the skill set of learning how to trade, I suggest using a demo account, so that way you're saving yourself money, time, and stress. Okay, you're not so stressed out. If you're trading your money and you don't know what you're doing, you're less likely to blow an account. So if you want to know more videos on learning how to invest, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so first you want to go ahead and download the MetaTrader 4 app. Once you got that downloaded, you want to go ahead and choose a broker. So in this case, I'm going to be using the KOT demo broker. So I'll go ahead and type that in and select that and register. But before you register, you want to make sure that the leverage is going to be 1 to 200, because you don't want your spread so big. And then I also like to select the amount of 3,000. It is the lowest amount that you can start off with on your demo. That way I can kind of build it up and see, am I progressing in my trading journey? So once you got that, you want to go ahead and hit done. It's going to pull up some currency pairs, but you want to go ahead and add some currency pairs. So go ahead and click Forex crosses, and you want to add all of these currency pairs. These are mostly some of the normal currency pairs that a lot of people do trade. So you want to go ahead and add all of those and hit done. Then you want to go back to the plus sign and click Forex, or you want to click cryptos. So I trade a couple cryptos. I know a lot of people do trade like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar, XRP, just a couple, just to name a couple. But you see here which ones I do select. Once I got those selected, I'm going to hit done. Then you want to go ahead and hit metals. I'm going to select copper, silver, gold, and platinum. Then I'm going to hit done. Go ahead and hit the plus sign again, and then you're going to select energies. I like to trade US oil, so I'm going to add that one. Go back to the plus sign and then go to indices. So I'm going to select the ones I like to trade. Then I'm going to hit done. So I have all my currency pairs added now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in alphabetical order. It does help out a little bit when you are searching for different currency pairs. So I just like to have them in alphabetical order. It definitely does make things a lot easier. And I think the best thing about having my currency pairs in alphabetical order is that I'm actually connected with a group of individuals where we have our own Telegram chat, and we also send out like daily signals to our group. So whenever there's a signal that comes out, I'm not scrambling to find my currency pair. It's just already, in alphabetical order. And that way I'm not like missing my entry because I've taken all day to find that currency pair. So alphabetical order is definitely the sauce. So I'm just gonna put them in alphabetical order, but I'm also gonna speed this up so it doesn't take too long. All right, so I got all my currency pairs added. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the trade screen. So this is where you're gonna go to check your balance. So it has your balance, the liquidity, the margin. Those all have different meanings. But then if I go ahead and click the history, I can go ahead and see how much I made throughout the week, how much I made that day, or just on the month. Then I'm going to go to the settings and make sure that all my settings are the way I like it. I like to have the sound on, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to charts to make sure that my trade levels are on. And I like my charts to be with candlesticks. I don't like line charts. Some people do. You can do it however suits you. So those are just kind of the settings that I like mine to be on. Then I'm just going to go back through to make sure that everything is in alphabetical order. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to actually place a trade in the market. So since the market is closed right now, I'm going to trade a crypto. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin and I'm going to click trade. And that's going to bring up how to actually place it in the market. I'm going to play around with the different lot sizes. This looks like $1.30, but it's actually $10. But then I'm actually going to go down. That looks like 10 cents, but it's actually $1. And then that is 10 cents. So you definitely have to know what the different lot sizes are when you are trading on your live account. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a stop loss. I did not calculate this at all. I just want to show you guys just for show purposes. So when you're putting in a stop loss, you're going to put in that number right there. Stop losses are definitely important. So when the market goes the opposite way, it kind of knocks you out the market. So you definitely want to make sure you have a good calculated stop loss. So right here, I'm going to put in a take profit. Take profit just means if the market does go my way, I win that whatever that take profit was. So right there, you're seeing that is actually how you place a trade in the market. And this is actually how it looks. You're going to see your trade in there. You're going to see your lot size is 10 cents. And you can always go back and look at that to see how it's doing. So right now, I'm negative 80 cents. So when I click on my trade, I can actually close it out if I wanted to. Just hold it down and click close and it'll close you out. Go ahead and click on it again if you want to modify it. And this is if you just put in the wrong stop loss. You can always modify it, but you can't change the lot size. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it again, and now I'm going to click chart. That way I can actually look at how it actually looks on the live charts. So this is just loading now, but this is how it looks. That's why I like to have my trade levels on there to see where my stop loss is, where my take profit is. That way I get a better visual on, if it's going my way or not. So you're able to check the different time frames. I was just looking at the 4-hour chart, but you can also look at it on the 15 or the hour or even the 5-minute, whatever time frame you would like to check. And at the top where it says F, if you click that, you can be able to change your different indicators. On mine, I like to have the moving average line, the Bollinger Bands, and the MACD. I just added volume bars recently just to see, if it helps me at all. But some people can even trade with no indicators at all. It's whatever, helps you being able to read the charts better. So definitely, this is a good tool to utilize in the beginning when you are, practicing that skill of trading. So I hope you guys enjoyed.